BMW is giving a chosen few the chance to encounter a manufacturing plant hustling bicycle in client spec frame with the new HP4 Race bicycle, which will be constrained to only 750 duplicates. As indicated by BMW Motorrad, the HP4 Race is the first run-through a Creation Cruiser's fundamental edges constructed altogether out of carbon fiber. The casing measures somewhat more than 17 pounds, which is mountain bicycle review. Notwithstanding the casing, the two wheels are carbon, and BMW says they are around 30% lighter than tantamount light composite produced wheels. By and large, the HP4 Race tips the scales at 377 pounds. Brakes are Brembo, suspension is Öhlins, and the parts are indistinguishable to the ones utilized as a part of Superbike and MotoGP hustling. Be that as it may, the motor's the most great, an allegedly World Cup level power plant which puts out 215 torque at 13,900 RPM, and contrasted with a S1000RR motor it revs more distant, the distance to 14,500 RPM rather than the S1000RR's 14,200. Greatest torque of 88.5 lb-ft is come to at 10,000 RPM. There is a nearby proportion, 6-speed gearbox with sharpened dashing proportions, and a large group of electrical wizardry to enable the rider to monitor the bicycle, going from dynamic traction control to wheelie control. BMW says the frameworks, including the engine brake EVR, can be balanced 15 approaches to suit a particular rider's needs to get the most out of the bicycle, and that there is likewise launch control for idealized race begins. That presumably doesn't mean red light dashing.